Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I tried this twist out and it turned out horrible. Someone told me that I should still upload it anyway, so here it goes. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and if you're interested in seeing my hair wash routine, please leave a comment. And now I'm taking this Lotta Body setting lotion and I'm just putting that all over my hair. Now I'm just taking my shower comb and I'm using it to detangle my hair, make sure there aren't any knots or kinks. And then I'm going to use this hair lotion. It's called Curls. So I just used that for the first time.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger?
In the video I watched, this girl said that it's best to use an oil with your twist out, so I'm taking my organic coconut oil.
Linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember.
And the twisting begins. There is not much explanation to it. I'm just twisting my hair like any other twist, and I'm doing it pretty tight because I want my curls to be defined.
Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Now I'm going in with my favorite oil, which is the Wild Bro, and I'm just putting that all over my scalp, mainly on my edges.
Go back home today, eh? Until the very last hour.
Now this flexi rod part was definitely last minute. I did not plan on doing this at all. I just saw them and decided to use them.
Over your body and over your soul, we're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head.
And this is me praying that it turns out right.
Your body go and move to the rhythm.
I even tried to put a little ponytail in there, try to style it. I tried everything. I've been natural for a long time, but I usually don't style my natural hair. The most I would do is just put it in a ponytail. I'm new to these twists and styles, so please help me out. Comment down below. Give me all the tips that you have. Tell me if I did anything wrong. Recommend some products. I would greatly appreciate it.